we're here with our friend Roz Brooks, the founder of Vegas Roots, a community garden in Las Vegas, providing the opportunity to grow food and learn about its health benefits. She is going to share some easy at-home gardening tips to help you cook healthy. So, Roz, what do you think the most important thing is for first-time gardeners to know about planting?
One of the most important things is to know that the depth of the seed, because you know in kindergarten you put your whole finger down, that's how you learn.
Right.
But really the depth of the seed is actually the width of the seed. And people don't realize that.
Got it. That's a great tip.
For instance, this spinach seed.
Very small.
So no, we don't dig a 1 foot hole. So basically, you are almost just putting it on the top. So you don't even need tools for this.
Right, just move some soil.
Just move it.
Just a light covering.
Just a light covering. Because when it's too deep, the poor seed is like the engine that could. It's struggling and struggling, trying to get up and
I can't get out through.
and find some sun, and it just dies. So
and then the string beans, a little bit of a bigger seed.
A little bit bigger. So we're going to go down.
Oh.
That's it.
I love it. See? And this, I think, you know, we were talking about it at the break. I love to garden, and people are so intimidated by gardening. One of the great things about you is you didn't start gardening until you were 43 years old. I mean, so this is something anybody could learn how to do.
Yeah,
you know?
I personally love to garden. I have to ask you a question, though. Do you have chipmunks in Vegas?
No, so the best thing about growing in Vegas is we have no critters.
Oh.
So we don't have to put fencing around. We don't have to do any of that.
Oh.
Goodbye, Connecticut. Hello, Las
Vegas. I knew I was meant for Vegas.
You are. Yes, you are meant for Vegas. You're going to show us 3 of your favorite vegetables to grow. I see kale is here first.
Yes. Kale. Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, it is beautiful, and it's incredibly healthy. So, like, people see the kale like this. How do you recommend harvesting the kale?
So I've had many people at the garden harvest, and if I'm not paying attention, the whole thing comes out of the ground. And I tell them, well, come back in 12 weeks, we'll have more.
It appears that my wife, Liz, works at your garden in Las Vegas.
Yes, but really, and the best rule of thumb is how you see it in the produce department.
It's a good tip. Yep.
Yeah, so with the kale, you're just going to snip it.
I always tell people, too, like with greens like this, if you kind of go from the bottom up, the outside up, it's the best way to go.
Right, because you can see the new growth in the middle there. That comes out. And
yep, it's coming through the middle.
And if you don't have these, it's okay, because kale is so hard.
Snap it.
Actually, you can snap it off.
And what are some of the great health benefits of kale?
Kale is high in fiber, high in antioxidants. Really, really awesome.
Good and good for you. All right, so over here we have beets and carrots.
Yes, so beets. Amazing. Look how beautiful these are.
And the greens are as delicious as what's growing underneath them.
Yes, yes. So to harvest a beet, what do you think?
I'm saying you just yank that out.
This you can yank out.
Yeah.
But a beet, definitely. And
beautiful.
beets are high in vitamin C.
That's a big one.
Our Chew garden is very plentiful this year. And carrots just the same way, right?
Yes, just the same way.
So, Roz, I mean, I don't garden.
Middle carrot, big beet.
Unlike my co-host. Oh, is it true? I'm like a little Michael. Okay. But I don't grow anything. Is there anything that's really simple and easy for me, for some like a first timer? And I think the joy that exudes from you, like when you've been through this 7-year process. So what is the first thing that I could possibly grow that I would feel successful?
You can't go wrong with herbs, for sure. Basil, parsley, and cilantro will almost grow without you doing anything to it.
Love that.
Definitely.
We're going to get Carla set up with an herb garden. Now, you gave us all these wonderful gifts, these wonderful tips, and we have a little something that we want to give to you. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
We're so impressed with how you've encouraged people in your community garden to be their best that we're honored to present this check for $1,000 to Vegas Roots, courtesy of the Walt Disney Company. You go to chew.com for ABC check recipes using this produce.